Can you believe it? Everything in the world was actually predestined at the moment of the Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago. This is not an absurd fantasy, but a highly controversial concept in the history of physics known as determinism. At the end of the 17th century, Newton proposed the laws of motion and universal gravitation. As long as we know the initial state of an object and the forces acting upon it, we can precisely predict its past and future states of motion. From the trajectory of a baseball to the speed of water waves expanding, everything can be accurately calculated using formulas. However, when scientists discovered that even the movement of planets could be predicted by equations, a terrifying implication emerged. In 1814, the French mathematician Laplace proposed a shocking thought experiment: Laplace's demon. It is omniscient and all-powerful, capable of knowing the exact position and momentum of every atom in the universe at a given moment. By applying Newton's laws, it could instantly deduce the past and future of the universe. Under this theory, the universe operates like a precise machine, where every planet, beautiful dust particle, and even the birth, development, and destruction of humanity are like preset processes. This perspective left people of that era feeling deeply despairing, even shaking the very foundations of human civilization. In 2008, scientists conducted a medical experiment and discovered that 0.3 seconds before a person becomes consciously aware of making a decision, the brain already shows detectable electrical signals of predictable behavior. At the very moment you decide to drink water, the instrument has already predicted it. This suggests that consciousness may merely be a process code rather than true self-awareness. Even Einstein, who firmly believed that God does not play dice, admitted in a letter to Bohr, "I believe in complete laws and order." Within the framework of determinism, the universe is like a precisely programmed 4D clock. From the moment of the Big Bang, the trajectory of every particle has already been determined. Your joys, sorrows, successes, and failures are merely processes set in motion 13.8 billion years ago. To challenge this bleak theory, scientists launched a counterattack. In less than 100 years, thermodynamics and quantum mechanics shook the world. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle proved that the randomness of the microscopic world acts like a backdoor in the flow of the universe. When we observe electrons, they behave as both waves and particles. This paradoxical state of Schrödinger's cat causes Laplace's demon's computer to crash instantly. Even more devastating was the discovery of chaos theory. A butterfly flapping its wings gently in Brazil could potentially cause a tornado in Texas. This extreme sensitivity to initial conditions makes long-term prediction mathematically impossible. Just as you can never accurately predict the motion of a three-body system, perhaps human free will is hidden within these subtle cracks of chaos. But did quantum mechanics really save free will? When we analyze the brain using cutting-edge quantum biology, we discover that neuronal activity actually follows the quantum tunneling effect, suggesting that consciousness might be the universe's own backdoor process. At the same time, determinism implies a terrifying truth. If fate is already predetermined, does effort have any meaning? Are we truly the masters of our destiny, or merely puppets in a pre-written script? Perhaps only when the theory of everything is discovered will humanity finally unlock the ultimate mystery of the universe.